everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm here to present the project Cansat Educational Kit, SIC, a project that gathers concepts of space technology and education. This project is supported by the Space Vocational Technological Center, a project of the Brazilian Space Agency, and also for the Federal Institute of Education, Science and Technology of Rio Grande do Norte. All the project is developed by the team of Space Educ. When our team started to develop the SIC, we had the purpose to resolve a serious problem of space education in Brazil. When we look around the world, we can see many advances in this area, but it's necessary to see what is the base of this development. For example, when we think a new space, we just can't imagine big and private companies, but it's necessary to pay attention that all development starts in education. With the purpose of unique these three important aspects was created the SIC, gathering space technology and education in a Cansat Educational Kit. But after all, what is the SIC? The Cansat Educational Kit is an educational tool to teach space technology, specifically satellites. Cansats are largely used to teach space technologies, but in our SIC we propose to optimize this use, gathering, teaching, low cost and make experience. About the teaching, as all other Cansats, the purpose is to teach about the subsystems of a satellite. Our Cansat has three subsystems boards. The first is the subsystems of power supply. The second is the subsystem of the onboard computer, and we call it of Space Arduino. In the second board also is the communication subsystem. This is represented by a radio transmitter. Referring to the locus, the Cansat has just three boards, developed with the essential technologies to make this functional. About the make experience, we tried to make this the more autonomous possible. For this, we offered to the students a support material. Besides that, our SIC has a professor manual. So let's go know a little more about the SIC. This is the main board of the SIC, the Space Arduino. This is a copyright board. There are input and output pins, a radio transmitter coupled on the plate, and the function is onboard computer. But because the radio transmitter also has the function of communication system. Speaking about the other subsystems, we could talk about the payload. The Cansat, as I said before, has the purpose to teach space technology, but we have a payload that collects the data of atmospheric variables. Our payload has a protoboard. The function of this is to allow the students to put new components. To finish the plates of the Cansat, we have the power supply. This board has a simple battery of 9 volts, but also allows different levels of voltage. And to get this data collected by the payload of the Cansat, we have the ground station. This is a simple copyright board developed by the team just to receive the data of the Cansat. Here is our Cansat integrated and its ground station. So, as I said before, our purpose is not just collect the data and study atmospheric variables. Our purpose is to teach technology. We would like to pass along the experience that we had in the Space Technological Vocational Center. Here I presented some results of our work. We had the opportunity to test our methodology in a school. We also had the opportunity to present our project, our idea, our purpose in many events around the Brazil and abroad too. Everything just was possible because our team, composed by me, Michelle Guedes, students, and Pedro Gil, also students, and by two professors, João Maria and Credso Isaac, our guiding in this space and spatial experience. So, thank you very much for your attention, and for some questions, please contact us.